Oh, you're good.
Oh my god, don't do that. Don't do that. Oh my god, this car. How are we gonna do this?
Just don't get it dirty. That's
So look,
all I ask for.
I came prepared. Oh my goodness. Hold on, let me dress this up. Oh, I feel like I fit better in the seat than I did like a month ago. All that cardio.
Is that good?
Yeah, that cardio I've been doing. It's a little bit more comfortable this time. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my makeup in my car. A moving car, and not just any car. Sebastian's car. La M3.
Yes.
M3. So this car is very low, very loud. There's no tint. This is just the car.
This is my toy.
You can feel every movement. Every time he steps on the gas, don't do it. Every time he steps on the gas,
Don't do it.
It's just an intense car. So the reason I wanted to do this video is because I always wear makeup in the car. We always travel pretty far distances to go visit family parties and whatnot. And to be honest, man, I'm about to go do it inside my room and then have to go. So I figure, why not just kill two birds with one stone? I'll do makeup in the car while you drive. And we always do that. So I'm really used to doing makeup in the car. So,
How does she do it?
I know. So I'm here today to show you guys how I beat this mug. We gotta go to Costco afterwards, so I have to look pretty presentable. But I did bring a full bag of makeup. And I'm not gonna go for my natural concealer makeup look. This is like full beat, wing liner, lashes, everything.
We're gonna see how it goes. I don't know how you can do a full beat.
I feel like I can do it. I'm pretty confident in myself. I've been doing it for years.
Oh, we might not even have enough gas for a full beat.
Oh my god, stop it.
Probably go to Starbucks too.
Perfect, I'll do my brows there.
So Karen wanted to take our other cars, which are a lot more comfortable than this one, but
And
I was
more
like, no, you
spacious.
know what? We're gonna take this one. It's gonna be better. The lighting might be better. The only thing that I'm worried about is my car is so loud that hopefully you'll be able to hear us. So I guess we'll see. Shall we go?
Let's go. Let's do this. I'm excited.
These are GoPros. I'm not gonna guarantee good lighting because GoPros are GoPros and they do whatever they want.
Well, yeah, go. Can I open up my makeup bag?
Right now.
Well, but we're not moving, so I can get a head start or what?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, okay.
You get a head start. I'm just hoping I never really drive this car as much, so I'm hoping we don't get pulled over.
Yeah, this car is loud. Don't go fast. Don't go fast. Don't, not in this neighborhood. Don't go fast.
Just don't get the car dirty.
Shut up.
That's all I ask for.
Okay, I'm using my Murad Prebiotic 3-in-1. I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
Because the camera's on. It's different when the camera's on.
Better grab onto all that. It's too dangerous here. Just make sure you grab all that makeup, honey.
I'm gonna use my Elta MD sunscreen.
You're stressing me out.
Why? I'm going too fast for you?
No, you're good.
I'm good at this?
Yeah, you're doing good. You're just stressing me out because everything is falling. I hear all this makeup, those liquid foundations or whatever that is. It's stressing me out. I feel like it's gonna get everywhere. Guys, I keep this car clean.
It's like the only thing he keeps clean. I'm gonna pop a little bit of eye cream. I was gonna do this at the house, but I know this takes time. But skincare is so important in my routine. Right, babe? My face is spicy right now.
Ah! You better take me out to lunch after.
I am.
I want sushi. Oh shit, is that a cop? No.
Why'd they pull you over?
Because my car is super illegal. There's no catalytic converters. My car is tuned. It shoots flames. Like.
Listen. Something about me that you should know by now is that I'm a fucking pro at doing my makeup in the car.
Are you though?
I really am. Like
tow my car, they'll state ref it, which means that I have to take, it's a big ticket, and I have to take it to some specific place and get it actually signed off, and they have to actually inspect the car, because everything under, I shouldn't even be saying this, everything that I have on this car is illegal. You can't have it in the state of California. You cannot.
What are you gonna do? Someone did it back to you.
Oh shit.
Weirdos.
For those wondering why I don't have tint, it's because I feel like the car looks a lot better. Just my car. Sports cars like this, I think they look better with no tint. They look classic. They look.
They're sabotaging me.
Ni modo. That's what you wanted. Vámonos. Oh shit! Starbucks is right here.
Oh thank God. You guys.
Ah. What?
This is hard. Stop. Can I get a vanilla sweet cream cold brew?
No.
Second coffee of the day.
Let me get a grande Starbucks double shot iced.
You said a grande Starbucks double shot ice?
Yeah. What do you want?
Perfect. Woo. I'm cheating right now.
You said a grande 2%, and the classic, is that okay, or did you want to change it?
Yeah, whatever the main one is, the general one.
Okay, so just keep it how it's made?
Yeah.
Yeah, no problem. Anything else?
Sweet cream cold brew vanilla.
And a grande sweet cream cold brew.
No, vanilla sweet.
Vanilla sweet cream cold brew. People probably hate me
Why?
because my shit loud. But if you haven't tried the Starbucks double shot over ice, it's pretty spectacular.
By the way, guys, and you're wondering, I'm using Tarte ShapeTape in the shade Light to clean up.
By the way, 3-4 months ago, we probably had Starbucks 2 times a day, every single day of the month. Ever since we got the Nespresso, our lives have changed. And not only that, we've saved a lot of money by switching to Geico.
Bebiendo de la botella, los nenes y las nenas quieren con gula. Del amor es una incrédula. Ella está soltera, ahora está solita. Ella perrea sola.
I'm hoping that the sound isn't shit, because these GoPros, they're not the best for sound.
My brows are too blocky.
They're not that bad.
Ah, the sun is back.
Oh yeah, I forgot you have to pay for them.
How can I?
Ah! Are you ready? You ain't ready. Ah! Shut up! Have some patience! I'm low!
And I take opportunity at every stop we do to do like something that's a little bit more difficult. So that's what I did. I am putting on some of my Nars concealer. I don't know why I'm using this one today as a base, but I just am. Ooh, today I'm excited. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette.
Comment down below your favorite Bad Bunny song from the new album.
Esta noche te lo voy a poner. Dime, mami, ¿por qué ya no está aquí? Mercier y yo pensando en ti. Estoy a tu mal, ay, ay, ay. Y ella es tan buena, pero tú estás mejor. Trae tu mujer y picheo, las tengo en hall. Y yo detrás de ti como un chambol. Y si quieres te busco en la Lamborghini. Si te lo vas a tuyo, como no de los Karol G. Quieres perreo, no balada. Tú eres una pile de disfrutando Mercier. Estamos ahí, aunque tengo sed.
I can't even see because your car's so
Look
low.
at,
Sebas, I can't see anything.
oh my goodness.
I can't see anything.
Aquí te quedas while I go?
Am I allowed to do my makeup or I have to wait till you come back?
Look, I'll tell you what. I'm only gonna take 5-10 minutes max. You get a head start, or you get a little cheating time. Cool?
Yes, thank God. Whew. The hardest part is just gonna be like this shit right here that takes forever. He messed me up with that liner right now. Why are they looking at me? I could have swore I did another Maybelline one. This one's new. This one is the Hype Easy brush tip liner. It's super thin, like a lapis. It's so little. So I'm gonna try to. Oh yes, this is what I needed. So I bring like a big mirror like this for my face, but for my eyes I have to work off of a little mirror. I think it allows me to like focus and see where I need to like clean up and what I need to fix. What you need?
Got what I needed? Did you do what you needed to do?
Yep. All done.
¿Qué más te falta?
We're still on my eyes.
What else is left?
My face. Look at underneath the mirror. I'm gonna use these Saucy lashes from Baddie B. I think this is the perfect look for those kind of lashes. You know what? I don't ever use this glue. I'm a duo kind of girl. But this one's good when you need it to just stick in place because I can't risk duo in this car.
You looked it up, but we're on this thing called a diet.
Lash one is on. I'm so happy.
Okay.
Bring it on. What? Why are you looking at me? Why are you looking at me?
What? I can't look at you.
We're about halfway through our battery right now, which sounds crazy because we're in the middle of the video, but that is just how it works. Stop. This isn't the neighborhood.
Guys, you have no idea. I have put in my heart and soul into this car. This is literally my dream car. And I love it when people actually like stop and stare, and like right now some guy was like this.
I think I'll be done with my makeup in time to go to Target.
Target or Costco?
I told Sebas, I said,
wait, are you doing your face right now?
I'm ready on my highlight. Lips and lips.
I didn't think you were gonna be this quick, TBH.
Because we have literally a little bit of a battery left, so I'm trying to do this fast enough to complete it all. I'm gonna bake a little bit. Oh my god, this one's gonna make a mess. I already know it.
You better be careful with my seats. No! Karen, I need a restroom. No way.
I'm done.
Looks like you did your makeup in your vanity.
I brought so many setting sprays because I didn't know which one I wanted to play with. I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay one now. I'm also gonna take a little bit of that gloss off. Lastly, mascara on my lower lashes.
I'm about to fuck your whole shit up right now.
I don't know what's more impressive, the battery lifetime on the GoPro or my makeup skills.
Probably your makeup skills.
And done. I brought 5 setting sprays and I used all of them. I used Urban, Glow Recipe, a little bit of this. I used this in the beginning and now Morphe. Alright guys, I just got out the car. We arrived to our destination and I wanted to step out before I go in and give you guys a close-up on the look so you can see how it looks up close. No filter, nothing, just bomb makeup in a car and a good sun, golden hour moment. But this is the look, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. Let me know how you guys think I did. Also, if you're up for it, you guys should do it as well. Try it out, see if you could do it. I think it's actually pretty easy. You just gotta get down like your hand. Like when you're doing the brows and the liner, you gotta just grip a little bit on your face and on the mirror. But I feel like it's possible. You can do it. So if you guys try it, tag me, let me know. Show me your pictures, let me know if you guys think it was challenging. Also, if you guys are interested in any of the products that I use, I will list everything down below in the description so you guys can know what it is, because I don't think I mentioned every single item. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being such a good driver and such a good sport. I love you. All right, guys, see you in the next video.